everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Today I'm doing a review for you on a really neat product. I found this online. I usually order from places like Amazon and Wish, order off the internet. This is made by Supreme and it's called a spiral slicer. And what you do is you cut up your zucchini with this. It looks like kind of a neat product, so I'm interested in giving it a try and seeing how it works. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. We already kind of took a look at it. You can peel if you want first, or wait and not peel it and do it that way. I wasn't going to peel my zucchini because I like to leave the skin on it. But it comes with a cleaning brush. That's kind of neat. It comes with a peeler. That's nice. Made for things like the zucchini. We'll set that aside for the moment. And as far as I could tell, it looks like a big old pencil sharpener with a couple of different attachments for doing different ends. Now the one end looks bigger than the other, and supposedly with this blade you won't cut your finger, but from what I gather we need to cut off the end just like that, and then we're going to try to use probably the larger one first. And it looks like, I'm going to roll this towards you here, it looks like all you do is spin it like this. You probably, in the picture it shows this. Move this out of the way so you can see. And I'm going to fry this up as part of an Asian dinner that we're doing tonight with beef and green beans and an Asian sauce mix. So, pretty easy to use, isn't it? Look at that. Looks like a pencil. Let's try the other side. Let's see what that does. Oh, look at that, see? That's, I think that's called a Julienne when you do that. I'm going to do cucumbers also for the salad, and I can do cucumbers this way, Julienne them, and then I can slice them, and that's kind of cool. Look at that ribbon. That's interesting. And then you can go back to the other side. Now it does come with a safety type adapter, but it looks like it won't go through where the end of it was unless you cut it. Yeah, so you cut it like that, and then you just put it in here. And I believe this goes on here to save your fingers. Pretty neat. Looks like it works. And it has a guarantee on it. It has a lifetime guarantee on it that the blades will never go dull. They're made stainless steel. So that's pretty cool. I'm glad I bought it. I'm going to use it for different meals. And I think I'm going to pull these off to the side here for the moment. And I'm going to show you this that I cut up. So it looks like that. I'll put that here. And I'll fry that up. And then these, I can just cut these into bite-sized pieces, because you know when you're cooking Asian food you want everything to be bite-sized pieces. So take a little bit of patience. I wouldn't try this if you're in a hurry, because this would take a little bit to do. More so do this for a salad. I'm going to give this a big thumbs up. I think I like this new tool. You maybe see me using it more and more in different videos. I like when I buy stuff that works, so I would say if you want one of these, go online, go find yourself a Supreme vegetable slicer. Give it a try. There we go. I am all done. That's my show for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.